show you how to take the backup from the database. Let us say I have MySQL like this way. If you go and check if you have installed MySQL if like this way in MacBook Pro. So in this case automatic database backup if you want, then something very easy. First you have to install first you have to install this one. This one means which one? Yeah, this one. Pre-install MySQL, and then you have to check which MySQL. If this will work, then with next code will work. Because if not, it is not installed. Even though you have installed this one, if MySQL 8033 something, even though you require MySQL install, and if you install it first time, then video you have to install. So how to install video? It's very simple. This is the command you can see here. I have selected in my terminal. Bin bash c curl this website. I'll put in my blog also. So I'll provide the link. So like that you can install the video. After installing video, then easily you can able to install this command. Video install MySQL like how I am installing right now. If I put here after video install MySQL, then it is installing like this way. This is still installing. If you see, so MySQL is installing. So once it will install, then it will work properly. Small p, and then without any space you have to give password, and then which database to variable path. So it will variable path is here, right? So it will save. It is very easy, and after that this is the result. So this way we can take, and you already know my database is running here. So this database I will show next video. I will show the MAMP database. See, this database is MySQL. Okay, so like that it is. If I open here also, I go system preference. MySQL server is running. Okay, now you see here MySQL server. So that's all. Thank you. The database through coding. So if you see here, I will first I will run, then I will show you how it works. See, I am going to run this command. Okay, so I am running this command. It is running. One file is created, and now see this backup is generated 115 MB. Yesterday night it was 114 MB. Right now 115 MB. Now I will show you the code here how it works. So I will go for bash for running. Okay, bash running, and nano is for the write or edit the code. So code is very simple. You have to write this is the means which format. This is not necessary. This you can ignore, but necessary is like you have to create one variable, maybe timestamp you can create, but backup path you have to give where you want to download. So I want to download in my laptop downloads folder. db name should be db1 underscore backup and then variable. So you see db underscore backup and then variable ymd like this format. ymd hour minute second. So it is for .sql. So .sql it is saved, and after that this next command is this you have to give. This is continue. It is a small terminal. Let me make it bigger. Now you can see SQL. Then you have to give the where the MySQL dump is running in your laptop. In my laptop it is running on this path. So I have to give from here to here MySQL dump, then -h my host name, then port number, capital P means port number, then root username, then p small p, and then without any space you have to give password, and then which database to variable path. So it will variable path is here, right? So it will save. It is very easy, and after that this is the result. So this way we can take, and you already know my database is running here. So this database I will show next video. I will show the MAMP database. See, this database is MySQL. Okay, so like that it is. If I open here also, I go system preference. MySQL server is running. Okay, now you see here MySQL server. So that's all. Thank you.